Ready to meet the ultimate hype man of the American Revolution? Say hello to Patrick Henry. Patrick Henry was more than just a guy in a wig. Born in 1736 in the colony of Virginia, he grew up to be one of the most passionate advocates for American independence. Picture this. It's 1775 and tensions with Britain are heating up. Patrick Henry steps up to the plate with his legendary speech at the Virginia Convention, booming out, "Give me liberty or give me death." Talk about chills, right? But wait, there's more. Henry wasn't just a one-hit wonder. He played a major role in the Continental Congress, pushing hard for the colonies to break free from British rule. This guy was like the ultimate freedom coach, rallying people with his powerful words and unstoppable spirit. Patrick Henry didn't stop at speeches. He helped shape the new nation's government, insisting on a Bill of Rights to protect our freedoms. And get this, he even became the first governor of Virginia. Not too shabby for a guy who started out as a farm kid with a knack for talking. So next time you think about the fight for American independence, remember Patrick Henry? His fearless words and relentless drive remind us that one voice can change the world. Keep that in mind, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be the next great champion of freedom. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome history adventures. Catch you later.